Dude, why are you just like staring at me from drinking? Actually, really, there's nothing in here. This is just for a show. Just really raise up. So yeah, you guys are watching this video thinking, how in the world do you make a YouTube channel? Well, I have you covered, and this is Wolf Dude G. So now you're going to have to go to https://accounts.google.com
2 hours later
/sign-up/v2/web create account $service equals YouTube and continue equals http://3a%2f www.youtube.com and all of this. But really, you just want to go to accounts.google.com/sign-up. So that's all you really need to put.
You what?
So, first name. Let's say your first name is David. And then last name, how about Virginia. Let's say so your name is David Virginia. I don't know why. It would be I don't know if anybody's last name is really Virginia, but I just put there. Okay, so it already has username D Virginia with the I for some reason. And it's spelled wrong, so how about there we go. So you just want to do a bunch of stuff here. But I'm going to skip over this part since you guys are going to try to hack this. So now we're here. If you want to put your phone number, you can, but you don't have to. And then you can put another email address if you want to. Now, you could do month, day, year, then your gender, and stuff like that.
You what?
So, once this loads, okay, let's put May. How about, since today this is June 4th, year 2018. Yes. You were born today.
You what?
So, let's put male. Next. Are you sure you entered the right birthday? Of course. But let's put 2015. Oh.
Nope.
That's sad.
Oh no!
Okay, we're back to this part. So now we want to put, how about March 15th year 9, how about 2000. So gender, let's go put that back to male, and next. Oh no! Okay, so I finally got through the breakthrough. So the first thing you want to do on YouTube is search up Wolf Dude G. Enter. Then you click the top one. Then click survive. You'll be greeted with the welcome to my channel from 3 years ago. But don't worry, don't be scared. I don't play Minecraft anymore. But really, what you want to do is watch my Mr. Crayfish videos. But then, after you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell. And you have to hit it hard. So, then click all of my friends' accounts and my Wolf Animations account. And then click PD Knows All if he's here. I should put him in my friends. And then go to all their channels, click that little bell. Well, you don't want to click it, you want to slap it really hard. And not this bell. You want to click this bell once. And then you want to go to my About page and see a channel. That's it. Then go to my Discussion tab and click Then click comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. I am Wolf2G signing off. Dab on those haters. I know that's dead.